on, people? Back again with another one. This time, bike's on the paddock stand, as you can see. But today's vlog is gonna be a little modification, and it's gonna be nothing to do with them, but it's gonna be to do with the tires, front and back. This mod, it involves the rear tire and the front tire. This pen and this random thing. You're probably thinking, what the f is that? But let me put you to one side and I'll show you what this is. Put you there. Now this, random as hell. What you do, open it out and it becomes a chair. Sit on there, that's the bottom of it. You can adjust it to different sizes. Chair, or you can extend it. Now, I'll be honest, this mod is going to take some time and some patience, but we'll do a before and after. So that's the tire as you see it. You might not be able to make out, but it says there Mag Sport. I've just degreased it, cleaned it, given it a wipe down, and we're going to turn it into a little something different. Give me a few minutes, I'll show you what I mean. I'm officially sitting in a very random and sus way, but we'll leave that alone. This pen, give it a shake and get to it. So after doing what I'd planned, that's how it came out. Give the wheels a very small touch of colour, and now it pops. You need a little bit of colour, and I've done the same on the other side. If I can get to it. There we go. Looks a million times better than before, but I'm not gonna lie, doing this in the cold, it is not fun. You gotta do what you gotta do. So the rear tire is done. Now I'm gonna do the front one. So here's the front tire before. You can barely make out, but it's on this side here. And then we'll show you what it's like once I've done with it. This pen on this tire, let's give it a go. I've just about managed to do the front. The front was a lot more awkward than the back. The lettering's a lot smaller on the front, obviously, because the tire is not as thick. So that's what it looks like at the front. A lot better than before. If you get up close and personal, which I'm not going to show you, it gets a lot less neater. But that's because the writing is a lot thinner, so you don't have a lot of room to play with. But from afar, it gives it a touch of colour. There's the other side. A lot better than before, just not as neat as I would have wanted it, but there's the back again. Let's give it a spin, because that's what it looked like going around and around. And to the other side. So, quick little colour tyre mod, nothing too major, nothing too drastic. Actually, let's give this a start up, because I haven't given you guys a start up. 1 second. Keys. have it. You can see she's steaming. I don't know if the smoke's coming out. But yeah, there's smoke coming out of that bad boy. Nice quick little mod for the weekend. I've got some more mods coming up, but I'm waiting for them bad boys to come through in the post. So Amazon, hurry the yeah. But in the meantime and between time, peace out. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you on the next one.